Hey guys, welcome back to Cowgirl Music Tutor. It's me, Toby, again. And today I'm going to talk about the time signature. So what is the time signature? Well, the time signature is a notational convention used in Western musical notation. It is used to determine how many beats are in each measure and which note value is equivalent. So the time signature consists of two numbers. The top number tells you how many beats there is in each bar, and the bottom number tells you what type of beat to use. For example, a 2 stands for a half note, a 4 stands for a quarter note, and an 8 stands for an 8 notes. Most music is played with the quarter notes in each bar. This time signature will have a 4 at the bottom. Today I'm going to talk about 4 different types of time signatures. Number 1. 2½ quarters. As you can see it on the side, it looks like a fraction sign with 2 on top and 4 at the bottom. In this time signature, there are 2 quarter notes in each bar, which means you play 2 quarter notes in every measure, every bar. The second one is the 3 quarter notes. It also looks like a fraction sign with a 3 on top and a 4 at the bottom. When you play this time signature, you play 3 quarter notes in each measure. The third one is the 4 quarter notes. As you can see on the side, the 4 quarter note is a 4 on top of a 4. In math, a 4 on top of a 4 equals a whole number, right? Equals 1. The same goes for music. A 4 on top of a 4 equals a whole note, which means you're playing a whole note. A quarter equals 1 note. It equals 1 beat each, right? So 4 beats equals a whole note. As you probably already know, a 4 on 4 means you play 4 quarter notes in each measure. Lastly, the 4th time signature I'm going to talk about today is the 6/8 note. The 6/8 note, as you can see on the side, is a 6 on top of an 8. When you play the 6/8 note, you play 6 8 notes in a bar. So 6/8 notes are put in groups of 3s. So they're usually 3 8 notes together. So I hope you liked this video and you learned something from it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. See you next time on Sunday. Bye!